Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, can I use Goodbudget on multiple devices? I know that a lot of people are interested in using budgeting apps to help them manage their finances. And Goodbudget is one of the most popular budgeting apps out there. But one question that I get asked a lot is whether or not you can use Goodbudget on multiple devices. In this video, I'm going to answer that question for you. I'm also going to show you how to set up Goodbudget on multiple devices so that you can access your budget from anywhere. So, can you use Goodbudget on multiple devices? The answer is yes. Goodbudget is available on a variety of devices, including smartphones, tablets, and computers. This means that you can access your budget from anywhere, at any time. How to set up Goodbudget on multiple devices. Create a Goodbudget account. Download the Goodbudget app on each of your devices. Sign into your Goodbudget account on each of your devices. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to access your budget from any of your devices. Benefits of using Goodbudget on multiple devices. There are a number of benefits to using Goodbudget on multiple devices. Here are a few of the most important. You can access your budget from anywhere, at any time. You can keep track of your spending and income on the go. You can collaborate with your family or roommates on your budget. You can set up notifications to remind you of important budget deadlines. Additional tips for using Goodbudget on multiple devices. Make sure that you're signed into the same Goodbudget account on all of your devices. Keep your budget data synced across all of your devices by enabling cloud syncing. Use the Goodbudget app's Recent Transactions tab to see all of your transactions in one place. Use the Goodbudget app's Budget Overview tab to get a quick overview of your budget. I hope this video has answered your question about whether or not you can use Goodbudget on multiple devices. If you're looking for a powerful and easy-to-use budgeting app, I highly recommend Goodbudget. With that said, thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. I hope you have a great day.